Hey guys, it's Shanna from the 5M Family Homestead. Okay, today I wanted to show you and give you an update on the hydroponic strawberry plants that we planted. Originally I had said I'd give you an update in 3 days, but it got really super hot. This pig takes over every single time.
She just hit the back of my leg. Look.
So it's actually day 7, it's not day 3. It got really hot outside and just time got away from us. So day 7, this is what the plants look like. If y'all remember my last video, I planted bare roots. Put it in the hydroponic solution. Of the 11, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are doing fairly well. I'm going to do a water change today. I researched, it said every 7 to 10 days. I lifted up just a second ago. The water's it's kind of murky. It's not real clear like it was when I first put it in there. So I am going to redo the water and let's see what happens. I've got a couple that are drooping over. I don't have them in the sun yet, and I don't think I'm going to put them in the sun. They're under our carport right now in a shaded area, and they seem to be doing really well with that. So we're going to keep doing that. So day 7, this pig
needs to get onto the processor.
Pig. Another little experiment that I'm doing is trying to grow roots off of a sucker part of my tomato plant. So they say that you can take the sucker part of a tomato plant, which is the parts that come off of a main stem off of the main stem. So you have your stem, and then you've got branches that go off, and then you've got little ones that come off of it. Those are suckers. And I had seen that you can take the suckers and you can plant them in water, just regular or just water, any type of water, and put them out in a shaded area for 7 days, and then you'll start getting roots. And then you can plant those whether in the garden. I was going to do them hydroponically. This is day 7 and nothing has happened. Not one thing has happened. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one a bust. Maybe I did something wrong. I'm not sure. But if y'all have done this before, let me know. The only thing that I did was I did fill this with just regular water from the garden hose, and I added a little bit of Miracle Grow in it as a fertilizer. But nothing's happened. So if you've done it before, give me a suggestion, because I do want to see if it will work. I just don't know how to do it. Alright, for the water change, I'm going to do the same amount of fertilizer and water as I did last time. That seemed to, the ratio was really well, they sprouted, so I'm going to do that again. These are 5-gallon buckets. I'm going to probably fill the water up to about 4.5 gallons. You don't want to submerge all the roots, so you just want them a little bit in, 1/4 inch, and about 4.5 gallons was about right last time, so that's what we're going to do. The first thing, when I fill the water, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of Epsom salt in the bucket and let it dissolve while I am going to measure out the other stuff. So 4 tablespoons of Epsom salt. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon per gallon of the CalMag. So that's going to be about 4.5 teaspoons. And then I'm going to also do 1 teaspoon per gallon of of each one of these, and that's going to be my fertilizer. So the reason I am changing the water right now is because the water's looking a little murky and I've got some droopy plants, so I'm hoping changing the water out will help perk them up, so we'll see. I finished the water change, and I was just telling Tobin that this is going to be interesting if this actually works out. But I'm really good at just willy-nilly and everything else when it comes to gardening. It's a trial and error for me. So, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we get something. I kept them alive for 7 days, so I guess that's a plus on my part. So, if y'all have any comments, let me know. I love to hear from other people, especially when it comes to gardening, of how they do things. Let me know if you've ever done the sucker, growing the roots from a sucker and then transplanting them. I'm really interested in that, more so because I'm stubborn. If it didn't work, I want to figure out why it didn't work. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope we see you again. Bye.